The 2026 BMW iX3 is coming. And this time, it's not just an electric version of an old idea. This SUV is built from the ground up for the future of driving, automation, and performance. The first big thing to know about the 2026 iX3 is that it's expected to be built on BMW's new generation electric platform. That means better proportions, improved aerodynamics, and a design that actually looks like an EV, not a converted gas car. Up front, expect a cleaner grille design, slim LED headlights, and sharper body lines. BMW is clearly moving toward a more modern, tech-driven look, while still keeping that aggressive SUV stance. From the side, the iX3 should look longer and more planted, helping both efficiency and interior space. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights and a sporty bumper give it a premium yet futuristic feel. The 2026 BMW iX3 is expected to deliver significantly more range than the current generation. We're talking potentially over 300 miles on a single charge depending on the configuration. Thanks to advanced battery technology and improved energy management, charging times should also be faster. That means less waiting and more driving, something every EV owner wants. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 iX3 really shines. BMW is expected to introduce a next-generation digital cockpit, featuring a wide, curved display, minimal physical buttons, and a fully digital driving experience. Expect advanced voice control, AI-powered navigation, and smart automation features that adapt to your driving habits. Climate control, seat settings, and even driving modes could automatically adjust based on who's behind the wheel. Interior materials should be more sustainable, with recycled fabrics and premium finishes that still feel luxurious. And for drivers who love tech, this SUV will likely support over-the-air updates, meaning your car actually gets better over time. BMW is also stepping up its game when it comes to driver assistance and safety. The 2026 iX3 is expected to include advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and traffic jam assistance. So, is the 2026 BMW iX3 the electric SUV we've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments. Would you choose the 2026 iX3 over other electric SUVs? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car automation and future tech content.